Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is actually going to be a little different because it's more of an informational video, I guess. Not really going over any design and decor and things like that. But I did want to explain to you guys why I've been gone. I don't think I've posted for maybe 3 weeks, almost a month now. But the reason being is because my mom actually recently passed away. She passed away on January 24th, 2023, and it's just been a really big change for me. And, you know, of course, my siblings, my family. It was a bit unexpected, her passing, but not totally unexpected, I guess, if you get what I mean. But we didn't think it would happen the way we did. We didn't think she was going to pass away. So yeah, I thought it would be important to come on here because YouTube has become such an important thing to me. It's something that me and my mom talked about constantly. She prayed over this channel for me. She used to comment on my videos, and I had plans to introduce you to her. And yeah, so unfortunately we won't ever get the chance to see her beauty on this channel, but I'm definitely going to be talking about her a lot in the future and some of the things that she instilled in me and my siblings. And yeah, I just thought it was kind of important to come on here and talk about that. And it's actually kind of weird because social media was always a weird thing for me. I'm a very private person, and I always was like, well, social media and going on like YouTube, Instagram, and things like that and talking about your life was always different for me. It was something that I didn't think you should do. It's important to have privacy, but it's weird how I just want to be open about this situation and just talk about my mom because she was such an amazing person. And I don't want to get on here crying because I've cried a lot in the past 2 weeks, but hopefully I don't cry on here now. But yeah, I really just want to talk about her beauty and who she was. She was just a pivotal person in my life. She was an amazing woman. She was a woman of God. She was a woman of faith. She was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2016, and they told her she wasn't going to last very long back then, probably over a few months. And she was here with us for 7 years, and that's because of her relationship with Christ and the things that she wanted to continue to do in this world. And she fought for her family. She fought for me and my siblings and my dad and our family. And yeah, I truly believe that she had a conversation with the Lord, some type of pact, so to speak, with the Lord on what she was going to do in these last 7 years that she was here with us. And God's timing was the best timing. I don't think anything was a coincidence, even though it hurts that my mom isn't here with me and I need her here with me. I do believe that God knew what he was doing, and I do believe he knew the year, the month, down to the second that she was going to be here with us. And she is with him now, and she's resting in the Lord. And I'm so proud of my mom and the things she has done in this world, how she has impacted so many people in such large ways with her kindness, with her love, with her strength. Just who she was. She was an amazing person. And so I'm one of my goals on my channel now is to really talk about her and to talk about the things that she instilled in me, you know, and I want to kind of show more of that on this channel too, because like I said, she was a woman of God, and that was her first and foremost. And I want to talk about those things on this channel as well, and talk about who God is and just how amazing he is. And so it's weird that I'm crying right now. I did not want to cry because that's not what I do in front of people. But I don't know. I don't even know where I'm going with this anymore, honestly. I really don't. I don't know where I'm going with this, but I'm going to post it anyway because I just have to get it out. But yeah, I just wanted to come here and let you guys know why I've been gone. And we're going to keep this channel going because, like I said, my mom, we talked about this and she said, you're going to do amazing things, Angelica. And so I'm going to keep it pushing. And she loved this channel. Like, you could go on old videos and see her, that she commented on every video. Her name was Hope Moore, Hopeland Moore. And so I'm gonna do all those things that we talked about. And she was just a big supporter of me and the things I'm gonna do. And so I'm gonna have to keep it pushing. I'm gonna have to get through this. I don't think I'll ever get over it, but I will get through it with the help of Christ, of course, and all of my friends and family and those kind of things. But so let's just stay tuned a little bit, because I do have a tribute, just a little bit of a slideshow of my mom that I want to show you guys, because I want you to see her. Because like I said, me and my mom talked about her coming on my channel and us going to different stores and picking out design things, because my creative side, I got that from my mom. That is from my mom. And because we can't do that now, I do want you guys to see her and see who she is and see a bit of her beauty. And this is a really quick video. And let's just take a look at this. I hope you guys enjoy this. The next video that I post, it'll be more, the norm of what I post on here. But yeah, just stay tuned, and you will see me referencing my mom a lot in the coming days in the future. But this is a very transparent moment for me. It's very vulnerable. It's totally not me, but something told me just go ahead and do it and just post it. And I honestly think she would be really proud of me right now. She would be really proud. So love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.